Hi,
Hello?
Cameron. I'm Jonathan from Solar Savings Alliance. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I noticed that you recently filled out a form on Facebook showing interest in our Zero Down Solar program, so I wanted to reach out and personally thank you for your interest. Has anyone had a chance to speak with you about this program yet?
No, but I'm not really interested.
Understood. I completely get it. Nobody is interested until we explain more about what we do. Our goal is only to give you a free information session to help you figure out if this program can be beneficial to you and show you how much money we can put back into your pocket. There is absolutely no obligation or commitment on your end to proceed if you don't see the value. Would it be okay if I asked you a few more quick questions to determine your eligibility?
Yeah, so is this free?
It's even better than free. We replace your high never-ending electric bill with a lower one that you'll eventually own outright, thanks to the government incentives and rebates available. Let's continue with a few more questions to make sure this program is the right fit for you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Great. Let's start with the qualifying questions. Are you currently spending more than $100 per month on your average electricity bill?
Yes.
Who is your electric provider?
PG&E?
Is this a single-family home?
Yes.
Are you the homeowner?
Yes.
Do you have any trees that shade your roof?
No.
What type of roof do you have, shingles or tile?
Singles?
Is your roof in good condition?
Yes.
Is your credit score 650 or better? Would that be an issue?
No.
Can you please verify your address so we can send the energy expert to the correct location?
123 Main Street.
Great. Based on what we've discussed, it sounds like you might be a good fit. Would you be open to scheduling a free, no obligation consultation with one of our energy experts?
Well, how much is this center cost?
I can't give you an exact number without more details, but with federal and state incentives, the cost of the solar system could be significantly reduced. Any remaining balance will be covered by a monthly payment that's likely equal to or less than your current electric bill. Plus, once it's paid off, you'll own the system and won't have to worry about rate increases. Can we continue with a few more questions to get a clearer picture of your situation?